if you're anything like me, you're excited right now. You're excited because you only conjugate one verb in Creole. In English, oh my goodness, go, going, gone, went. There's so many verb conjugations going on in English that when I teach Creole and I travel and I go to Europe, that when I went to Europe, they were all like, "Oh my gosh, there's no verb conjugation." And I find people in English going, "Oh, I'm glad there's no verb conjugation because learning French or Spanish, it was really difficult." And I'm like, there's a lot of verb conjugation going on in English, but not in Creole. We only have one. In Creole, when you want to modify a verb to indicate whether it's past tense, ed, happening now, ing, you basically just add a word before it. And we get into that between lessons 7 through 10. Right now, I want to focus with you on the word by, which is in leçon 4, to give. It is under the grammar rule, adjective noun rule. So by means to give. So if I want to say, give Mary the baby, répétez, by Mary bébé. So by means to give. So if I want to say, he doesn't give the thing, li pa bay, bagay la. Notice my face is negative when I say pa, because pa is negative, okay? So, by means to give. Why are these other forms in the book? Whenever a pronoun comes after by, we conjugate it. Conjugate, it just means we change the spelling. So we're pronouncing it differently. We're giving the nasal pronouns a nasal to give. Staying consistent. Give me is nasal, moi. Give us, give y'all, nasal, nous. So we use a nasal form of to give. Ban, moi. Répétez, ban, moi. Give you, ban, nous. You plural. Répétez, ban, nous. Very good. So that is when we would do that. We would switch to a nasal form of to give for the two nasal pronouns, moi and nous. But if it's not nasal, we drop that N. Ba, just ba. Give him, bali. Give her, bali. Give it, bali. Répétez, bali. Give them, bayo. Répétez, bayo. Give you, singular. Répétez, ba-ou. Okay, very good. So the form of to give is still by. Give Gloria, by Gloria. But if we're using a pronoun, we conjugate it, we change it. So if we want to say, give me, ban moi. Give us, give y'all, ban nous. Give him, give her, give it, bali. Give you, singular, ba-ou. Give them, ba-yo. Okay, so let's practice that. Ban mwen bagay sa. Give me that thing. Répétez. Whenever I say it and pause, you répétez. Ban mwen bagay sa. Okay? Give us deep fried pork. Ban nou griot. Griot. Ban nou griot. Give me, ban mwen. Give y'all, give us, ban nou. Okay, remember to keep répétez after me. Now, let's try the ones where we drop the nasal and we just use ba. B-A, ba. Remember that mouth opens up. You don't want to say ba because that's bon. You want to say ba. Give her the hammer. Bali matoa. give you rice and bean sauce. Ba ou di riz ak sauce pois. Répétez, di riz ak sauce pois. Ba ou di riz ak sauce pois. Okay, what about give them the avocados? Ba yo zabokayo. Zaboka. And we put yo at the end because there's no quantity indicator in front of zaboka. So we don't know, is it a lot of avocados? So we want to put yo so that you know it's a lot of avocados. Ba yo zaboka yo. Give him, give her, give it, bali. Give you, singular, ba ou. Give them, ba yo. Très bien. Bien fait. Très bien means very, very well. In English, you would say very good, but in Creole, we won't say très bon. We say très bien when we're cheering someone on. In the Learn Haitian Creole group, there are some really, really great pages that you want to take this to. That way you will have it flipping right here to know where to go. And write on one of these little bookmarkers the forms of the in lesson 2, because there's a chart that makes it very easy for you to know which form of the to use depending on the word ending before it, whether it's an adjective, a descriptor, or a noun, a person, place, or thing. So make sure that you label that. Also, I would label the page that has the adjective grammar rule because it also has the forms of to give. Label that in your leçon 4. That way, anytime you go, which form of the do I use? You just go to that little label and you find that page. Which to give? Is it nasal? Is it not? I can't even remember the rule. You can basically just go right there. Okay. Male. Male is like saying, peace out. I'm out. I go. Répétez. Male. Male. So go ahead and like this video and get ready for some cultural tips coming up.